early in the morning. I got some breakfast from McDonald's. Thank you, supporter. I appreciate it. Well, it's off in the bag. I got, whoop.
I put hot sauce on this. No, I put country sauce. You say hot sauce.
Yeah.
What you got my ear? Yeah, she was well.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Now, I finally got this doorbell camera with the help of one of my supporters, and then also I used a 40% off coupon. So, really, this doorbell camera was way too expensive, but I knocked down the price. So I just need a little boost, a little support for one of my supporters. And also, I'll be able to get some breakfast. So I'm going to install it later on.